So we're bringing the arm up and over. And as I said, there are several ways of doing the arm. You can use both hands, or you can choose to hold the arm in the hand. It's whatever you need to do for control. Just make sure that you lubricate the inside of the arm. Okay. So you're going to start with the hands on the same side, next to one another.
Right, okay, yeah.
Yeah. So if you try and do that, if you've got somebody who's got a large chest, you bash them on the way up. So it's not a good idea.
Right, okay.
So we're going to lubricate, we're going to effleurage up and back, one on the inside, one on the outside with the hand cuddle.
Okay.
So come up, around the shoulders, one on the inside, one on the outside, and a hand cuddle on the way back. And again. One more. And then you're going to turn the palm to face the ceiling. Bend the elbow and then squeeze like toothpaste down the inside. So you've got the thumb on the top, fingers underneath. And effleuraging back.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Squeeze down, effleurage back. That's it. And again, squeeze down, effleurage back. And these are all your wrist flexors on the top here. Okay, then we're gently going to knuckle, so we're going to get the backs of the hand into the supratrochlear lymph node. And then we're going to get the fingertips and the elbow.
Oh, you said the funny bone.
Yeah.
The funny bone. We
Funny
work around the
bone.
hole.
Any floaters in there? Loosen them up. And you're going to rest the hand on the chest and work the inside of the upper arm. Resting.
This way.
Going to do the inside.
So you did your opposite.
That's it. So if you remember, every time we always do the inside first,
Sorry. Yeah, okay.
and then we do the outside. The tighter it is, the smaller the movements are going to be. So if it's not tense at all, you're going to have one long sweep. But if it is tight, just going to get your thumb in there a little bit with some smaller circles. And then the outside.
The time if it's too sore for you, it just feels nice. Yeah? Just feels tight.
Gail describes it.
Okay, because it's quite tight. Yeah, it's there.
Pleasurable agony.
Pleasurable agony. Yeah, I feel it's there. Too sore?
You're going to do a figure of 8, so you're going to hold the elbow,
This is
you're going to hold the wrist, and do a circle in front and a circle behind. So the elbow, the shoulder one goes that way. So
okay.
it goes that way and that way.
Okay. know if I'm doing this right. It's like
No, I don't
slightly
think you are either.
obscure. So, do you know what I mean? It's a weird, odd. Because you've got two. Because you've got a
Keep your hands there.
Joint. You know.
Keep your hands there.
Okay. Okay.
That way.
Right.
And that
Oh,
way.
there we go. Okay. So
That way. And that way.
Ah, okay. So.
We've got half a move going on here. Okay. So keep your hands there. So you're going to go that way
Right.
and that way. Okay.
So it's got to
That way and
that
that way. That's it. So that you can do all the joints. Yeah.
What was that?
That way. And that way.
It's funny, as a therapist, you've got to watch how we hold, because how I'm holding is really working on my wrist. It's quite sore on my wrist. Isn't that interesting?
Well, maybe
Is
put.
that because I'm not holding it properly?
No.
Do you know what I mean? I'm sort of holding
Get
it,
your
but
hand
actually
right
my wrist
underneath.
is- yeah, it's
That's
interesting.
it.
I'm just going to do this more often.
Then we're coming down and effleurage in the whole of the arm. And then we're going to go into hand massage. Alternate thumbs on the wrist. And cross fibre frictions across the wrist as well. Julian Cleary. Link hands
Yeah.
and work in a pressure walk in between the bones. And then you're going to pull off and twist.
Are we
Each
walking
finger.
away from, sorry, Gail.
Yeah, from the knuckle
From the knuckle.
down to the tips.
I mean, sorry, initially with these ones. you
Yeah,
have to walk
from
in
the
between.
knuckle down,
So
from the wrist to
from the
knuckle.
wrist to the back.
Yeah. And when you do this, try and get a ring off. Imagine you are trying to really pull a ring off.
Mm.
So it's the whole of your hand, not just your fingers. Palm,
Yep.
palm as well. And you're going to turn over. Alternate thumbs on the wrist. And then cross fibre frictions. I do apologise, that was my middle sister texting me.
You know.
And I thought it was the Hogwarts Express arriving.
I try and have different sounds so I know who they are. And link hands
So I'm doing the link that way.
and work in between the bones.
Okay, I'm behind. I've just lost. I've just turned over.
Yeah, alternate thumbs on the wrist.
Alternate thumbs on the wrist. This way.
That's it. Cross fibre frictions.
No, that's all right.
That's it.
Okay.
And then when you link hands,
This way.
back of the hand
Back of the hand.
goes down and under.
Okay, this way.
No, back of the hand goes on top of hers and then go down.
That way. Yeah.
Hmm.
What am I doing?
Go down.
Fingers go through things.
Put your hand on the top of hers.
Yeah.
Okay, so pull them back
Yeah.
and then slide your fingers down.
So. Oh, in between.
In
Oh, for
between.
goodness sake. I do apologise.
Then we're
It's been a
going to work him all over the palm in a pressure walk. And then we're going to pull off and twist each finger. And then we're going to link the little fingers into the little finger and thumb.
Oh, Gail, sorry, I've lost it. Don't worry, I'll just do this.
Well,
Practice
do
again.
it loads of times, but you're going to link these little fingers
Yeah.
down
That one on there.
and then the thumbs up the middle. And we're going to turn the hand over and do an effleurage all the way through. And on the last one, we're going to pull it off. And we're flicking away. And then we're going to move on to the